हाय। आई थॉट लास्ट टाइम वीडियो बनाया था जब मार्केट एकदम बॉटम पे था, तो अब जब मार्केट ने इतना शार्प रिकवरी दिया तो सेकंड वीडियो बनता है. सो व्हाट हैज़ बीन हैपनिंग सिंस लास्ट टाइम टू दिस टाइम? Clearly we are seeing green shoots. US is backing down, Iran is also calming down, and we are seeing that there is a 14-day truce in the war now. What does this mean to the market, and why did markets jump so much today? Clearly, Indian markets today are at a much cheaper valuation than they were 6 months ago. At these valuations, our equity businesses are steal deal for anybody who's looking to invest in equity market. What has been happening with our retail investors? Our SIP flows, yours and mine SIP flows, have ensured that the markets have passed through this extremely volatile period without having a much larger drop than it could have had, like it did in 2008 or like it did in 2020 when COVID struck. Since you and I have become smarter with our investments, the bank deposit to MF ratio, which has grown by almost 3 times in last 10 years, clearly shows that Indian citizens, Indian consumer is becoming smarter now. They want their money to work harder and not just stay in bank deposit at a 6 and 7% rate. What they want today is that their money is making far more return for them than it is making in bank deposits. And we need to continue this focus. We need to ensure that we continue investing whether the markets are up or the markets are down. We need to ensure our SIPs are going stronger and stronger. When markets are down, we need to increase our SIP. When market is up, we should look at booking some profit from our SIPs. But let us ensure that SIP flow, which is today at around 30,000 crore, let us take this number to 1 lakh crore. Then we will see the real unlocking of wealth in Indian economy. That's the kind of numbers which US and China are drawing in their equity markets. We are nowhere close to them even now. Once we start hitting numbers closer to 15% of Indian population investing in equity market, we will start seeing even more wealth creation happening in Indian equities. From now, over next 5 years, I believe this is the bull run phase of Indian markets. We should now increase our equity allocation and sit back and enjoy the ride which equity returns will provide us. Thanks.